Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to draw rectangular ducts in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. First, load the Lisp. Enter Upload and choose the Lisp. Type duct to activate the Lisp. First, specify the elbow radius. Then specify the center line factor, which is the ratio between duct radius and duct width. Normally it will be between 0.5 to 1.5. Finally, choose your duct width and start drawing the duct. To make a reducer, type width, then specify the starting width and the ending width.